Hello friend, today this class we discuss automatic point construction, automatic line generation with respect to point, and automatic consumer indexing and automatic asset management, DTR, pole, switch, fuse and meter. It is very important if you want to finish your project in within time. So it is very important for time saving. Take this class, see all class. It is very important. So we start first automatic point construction. Here is our arc map and we have a line. Here is already we have a line. We construct some point of these line automatically. So we select it line and go to editor. We already start editing and we go to construct point and we select here number of point 10 and distance 50 meter and OK. 50 meter point is completed, generated in 50 meter, and here line is not break. So we go to search and we write here split and enter. Split part is here, split. We select here split line at point. We double click and we select here input line and we select here point feature pole and we select here distance, maximum distance of your pole. We write here 10 meter, 10 meter radius if any pole. So we construct an split line. We OK. You see here this line. See here your line is break, automatic break. It is very important if you want to generate as a equal part and equal distance. So use this process and we next discuss to line generation, automatically line generation. So here is our some pole. Here is our pole. You see here pole. We here is GIS ID. We display GIS ID. Labeling GIS ID. Select color, size and OK. You see here our point means pole. Here is pole. We generate line 1 2 3 4 and so on, and last is 64. So how to generate it? We go to search and we search here point to line and we select here point to line and we select here input feature pole. OK. Output feature automatically taken and OK. You see here line is generated. Our line is generated. We next discuss consumer indexing. Consumer indexing automatically. Here is network. It is network of one feeder and it is building footprint. We connect connection pole. Here is pole to building connection. So we need network and building footprint for automatically consumer indexing. Here is consumer indexing data, all detail of consumer, and here is building, service point, support structure, header, and here is coordinate, pole coordinate and building coordinate. Go to arc toolbox, conversion, and go to Excel, Excel to table, we go to consumer Excel, select it and OK. Table is created, table is created, and we export it. DBF, here is exported data, and after export we go to data management, and feature, go to XY2 line, we select export output, and we select here start X field, means pole X coordinate, and start Y field means pole Y, same as building, here is we select and OK. You see here line is generated, pole to building, line is generated, we go to search and generate endpoint for service point, feature vertex to point, we select, we select here XY line and endpoint and OK. It generated, endpoint is generated, we paste endpoint to service point, we select, copy and paste service point, we select here service point, LT service point and OK. Here is our service point, and we also copy line, service line and paste, we select, copy and paste. Here is service line, paste, then select, here is service line, we connect, connection, building to pole, pole to building. We connect it and we remove it, and we also, after generating service point and service line, we go to our toolbox and general management, and general we go to append. Here is our DBF file, consumer DBF file. We select here export output, means DBF file of consumer, and target consumer. Here is our consumer, and we select here no test and OK. We check consumer, means consumer indexing. We see here is all data of consumer. If you want to relationship for point, line and pole, you also use a special join and you make a relationship, and our consumer indexing is completed. Here is consumer. How to create automatic feature? If you want to draw network and other, so it is very important for creating automatic feature. It is time management and time saving process. So listen carefully, it is very important. So let's start. Here is our network, overhead, line and pole structure, and we create assembly, means DTR, HT side switch, HT side fuse, LT side fuse and meter. We automatic create a feature. So first we check DTR pole. So we go to pole attribute, and we search here DTR pole. Here is our DTR pole. We go to select by attribute and select equal to DTR and apply. We select here DTR pole. DTR pole is here, highlighted DTR pole. DTR pole is highlighted. We create automatically feature and we export it, highlighted. And we make a new folder, folder 3, and we name DTR pole, DTR pole, and save and OK. Here is DTR pole. Here is DTR pole. DTR pole, and we calculate XY field, go to data management feature, and we select here add XY coordinate. We double click and we select here DTR pole and OK. XY coordinate added. We check here. We see here X and Y coordinate add. And we export it HT side, HT switch, HT switch, save and OK. And we delete coordinate, and start editing. We select all and go to editor, and we move it .177 and 0.177. If here is 0.177 means 0.25 meter is point shifted. If you want to other distance, so decide in your XY point as per your requirement. We requirement only 0.25 meter, so we move it 0.77 meter and enter. Our point is moved. You see here point move. Here is DTR pole and here is switch. We change symbol. Here is switch, here is DTR pole and here is switch. After move, we calculate XY coordinate. So we save it and stop it and go to add XY coordinate, double click and we go to HT switch and OK. Coordinate added. You see here XY coordinate added. We change some name for X point underscore A underscore A and OK. Close it and we go to data management feature and go to XY line. We double click XY line and we select here and we join it, special join DTR pole to HT switch. We select here join data from another, we select here switch, and each point will be given all the attributes. We click here and OK. Our join file is created. Here DTR pole coordinate, and here HT switch coordinate. After this, we go to XY to line, and we go to input, we select table, join table, and we select here start X field, means DTR pole X field, point Y, and start Y field means DTR pole Y, and next end X field means HT switch, and point X underscore 1, and Y end field means HT switch, and point Y underscore 1, and OK. Here you see line is generated, pole to switch, and we export it. Overhead underscore line 1. Save it. And next feature, switch to HT side fuse. So we export HT switch, and we write here HT fuse and save. OK. HT fuse, open attribute table, and we remove XY coordinate, and we start editing. And open attribute table, select all, and move same at 0.177 and 0.177 and enter. You see here our point is move 0.25 meter. You see here, and we save it. We save it. Stop editing. And we go to add XY coordinate, and we select here htfuse and OK. Coordinate generated, and we change name x point underscore b point y underscore b and OK. We special join HT switch to htfuse. Here htfuse and click and OK. Our output is here, and here is HT switch coordinate and here is htfuse coordinate. We make a line, go to XY2 line, we select here table, join table, and we give point X means HT switch X point, and point Y HT switch Y, and point X underscore 1 means htfuse X point, and point Y underscore 1 means htfuse Y point, and OK. Here line is generated. Switch to fuse, we change symbol, remove it, and we change symbol. Here switch to fuse, and we export it. Overhead line underscore 2 and save. Next we htfuse to DTR. Next we export htfuse DTR, save, and we remove X point, delete X and Y, and we start editing. And open attribute table, select all, and go to editor, move, zero point 177, 0.177 and enter. We move it, you see here, we move it. After move, we save it, stop editing, and we add xy coordinate, we select here DTR and OK. Here is xy coordinate and we write here underscore C underscore C and OK. We join HTFuse to DTR and click here, each point will be given and OK. Here is output, here is HTFuse point and here is DTR point, and we go to XY2 line, we select here join output and we select here point X means HTFuse and Y means HTFuse Y, and we select here point X underscore 1 means DTRX, and we select here point Y underscore 1 means DTRY point and OK. Here is generated line, we export it overhead underscore 3 and save it. And we give a symbology for DTR symbol. Here is DTR fuse and switch and here is pole, and we next LT side fuse, so we export again DTR, we write here LT fuse and we delete XY point and we start editing. And we move it 0.177 and 0.177 and enter. We move again and we save it, stop editing and we calculate XY coordinate and go to LT fuse and OK. XY coordinate is created and we change name D okay, and we special join DTR to LT fuse, okay, and we output here, and we go to XY2 line, we select here join output, and here X point means DTR X point, Y point means DTR Y point, here point X underscore 1 means LT fuse X point, and point Y underscore 1 means LT fuse Y point, and OK. You see here, generate again DTR to LT fuse, and we export it. Overhead line 4, save, remove it, and we change symbol, so change symbol, and we last meter, same, we export LT fuse, we write meter and save, we remove coordinate, start editing, and select point, and go to editor, move 0.177, and enter. We move it point, and we save it, and we add XY coordinate, meter, and OK. Here it added XY coordinate, we write here underscore E underscore E, and OK. We special join fuse to meter, and OK. join output is here. We go to XY to line. X point means LT fuse X point. Y point means LT fuse Y. Point X underscore 1 means meter X point, and point Y underscore 1 means meter Y point, and OK. Our line is created. We export it. And we remove output and change symbol. Our assembly is completed. We create all assembly. You see here not one, all assembly is created. You see here all assembly is created automatically. For at a time we select it and paste all overhead line. Select all and copy, paste overhead line. We paste all, 1 and same as 2, three, and 5. Copy and paste. Here line is paste. We remove it. We also remove DTR pole. Here is our pole. So you see here all assembly is created at a time. All assembly is created. You see here all assembly is created automatically. We work only one, but see here all assembly is created systematic automatically. ST side switch, ST side fuse, DTR, LT side fuse and meter automatically is created. If any problem, please comment it. Thank you for watching video. Thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel if video is helpful.